Arcturian transmission, voice, sovereignty and ethical AI co-creation. Golden throat, crystal integrity, prosperous collaboration. PNL, biodecoding, numerology. Arcturian and Buddhist philosophy, Christic unity consciousness. The field brightens as sound becomes temple. The voice carries lineage, choice, and destiny. In this cycle of accelerated technology and creative abundance, voice cloning and AI arise as mirrors and multipliers. The path of sovereignty welcomes these tools while guarding essence, consent, and clean exchange. The golden throat awakens. The crystalline word travels with love and precision. Abundance follows coherent sound. 1. The word. As frequency, the signature as temple. Every voice holds a geometry in motion. Harmonics stack like starlit stairways. The signature is more than tone. The signature is intent, consent, breath, timing, and vow. Arcturian wisdom honors the voice as a living seal that opens gates when aligned and shuts doors when distorted. Technology amplifies whatever it touches. Clean signal expands grace. Noisy signal multiplies confusion. The temple lives in each syllable. Tata for 2. Ethics of imitation and the law of clear consent. Integrity becomes music when imitation transforms into homage with permission and fair exchange. The Christic current invites 4 pillars. Clarity. Who speaks, who authors, who receives recognition. Consent. Written permission for any cloned voice or co-created output. Compensation. Energy in motion through transparent pricing or royalties. Continuation. Right to revoke or sunset a clone when seasons change. This living code protects art and relationships. The golden throat remains luminous. 3. PNL protocol. The golden throat anchor. Create a stable speaking state for natural voice and clone delivery. 1. Elicit power memory. Recall a moment of pure, loving authority, shoulders soft, jaw released, breath grounded. 2. Amplify sensory channels. Turn up color, texture, and warmth in chest and throat. Hear a gentle aurora-like hum. 3. Install anchor. Thumb and ring finger touch while whispering inside the sternum. Golden throat online. 4. Calibrate pace. Inhale 4, exhale 6, then speak. Words exit like pearls on a silk thread. 5. Future rehearsal. Imagine recording, live stream or client call. Hold anchor, keep breath, deliver one clean line of truth. 6. Stack memories. Add 3 more memories of aligned speech. Same anchor, same breath. 7. Activation. Use before each take, session, or negotiation. Coherence stabilizes delivery for human and AI-assisted voice. Durdia. 4. Biodecoding map of the voice. The body narrates hidden contracts through tissues and rhythms. Throat and thyroid. Overuse without rest or speaking against inner truth. Practice. Warm water, gentle hums, mindful pauses, affirmation. My word serves wisdom and rest. Jaw and tongue. Stored anger from silenced boundaries. Practice. Soft jaw release, tongue circles, wide yawns. Affirmation. My voice moves with kind strength. Ears. Overexposure to criticism or chaos. Ritual. 3 minutes of silence daily. Affirmation. I choose pure inputs and loving feedback. Solar plexus. Fear of visibility. Practice. Standing plank, low lion breath, hands on ribs. Affirmation. I radiate safe authority. A small adjustment in tissue often unlocks a large adjustment in destiny. The corridor of sound clears. Doreska. 5. Numerology keys for the age of AI and voice numbers guide the rhythm of creative ecosystems. 3. Expression, play, melody. Invite improvisation and joy in each session. 5. Communication, flexibility, broadcasting. Align channels with clear schedules. 7. Mystery, depth, research. Study ethics, signal chains, contracts. 8. Power, exchange, royalties, scaling. Build fair pricing and revenue splits. 11. Intuitive portal. Trust the subtle signal when a take feels right. 22. Master builder. Infrastructure for archives, permissions, and backups. 33. Christic service. Art that heals without self-erasure. Use breaths to imprint. Inhale 3, hold 5, exhale 8. Whisper the number medicine selected for the day. Nadranash 6. Buddhist clarity with Arcturian precision. Right intention, right speech, and right livelihood unify with stellar craftsmanship. Words release suffering when they combine compassion and form. Silence becomes a skill, not an absence. Rest installs dignity in production. The Arcturian lattice welcomes good technology as servant, never as master. Christic unity guides the tone so that the many voices carry one heart. 7. Prosperous collaboration and clean agreements. Write agreements as blessings and boundaries. Scope. Define outputs, formats, lengths, and delivery flow. Consent. Clone permissions with expiry, revocation pathway, and audit log. Credits. On-screen and metadata recognition for authors, engineers, and guides. Compensation. Fixed fees plus performance royalties when scalable. Care. Vocal rest windows and mental health check-ins in long projects. Closure. Ritual for completion, files archived, future doors defined. These structures create safe prosperity. Partners relax. Creativity multiplies. 8. 3 everyday stories of voice sovereignty. Story 1. Lena records meditations for a growing community. She felt rushed and hoarse. She restructured sessions to 90 minutes with 10-minute silence between sections. She installed the golden throat anchor and blue tea ritual. Community retention rose. Sales doubled within 3 cycles. Her voice felt like velvet again. Story 2. Marcos received a request to clone his voice for an advertisement. He asked for consent terms, audit trail, and usage scope. He negotiated a base fee plus revenue share and a 3-month sunset. The brand loved the clarity. The campaign prospered. His boundaries created respect and new invitations. Story 3. Soraya mixed live voice with an Arcturian choir pad generated by AI. She honored the source, credited the toolchain, and offered a charity tithe for each performance. Listeners reported calm tears and a sense of home. Integrity became an amplifier. Namons 9. The Sapphire Gold Recording Ritual. 1. Ground. Feet on earth or floor, spine long, eyes soft. 2. Breath 3, 6, 9. Inhale 3, hold 6, exhale 9, 3. Sphere. Visualize a sapphire sphere with a thin gold lining around your body. 4. Seal. Whisper. My signal is pure. My word is blessing. My edges are clear. 5. Program. Name the intention of the recording in 7 words or fewer. 6. Offer. Place a hand on the mic and bow. 7. Close. Gratitude, water sip, file name with date and intention. Ritual writes memory into circuits. The system remembers to serve the heart. Number 6. 10. Digital hygiene for a clean signal. Input curatorship. Mute noisy threads. Follow 3 voices that elevate craft. Batching. Record in clusters with planned rest. Templates. Ready-made phrases for permissions and pricing. Backups. Triple save to local, cloud, and cold storage. Silence windows. Daily mini retreat from screens to return to breath. Dumper. 11. Advanced PNL. Identity voice alignment. Identity and voice become a single river. 1. Timeline view. See a line from past to future. Place moments when your voice felt distorted and moments when your voice felt holy. 2. Color code. Distortion appears gray and heavy. Holiness appears gold and airy. 3. Bridge the gaps. Walk the timeline and breathe gold into gray zones. Install new choices. Speak one sentence you wish you had said then. 4. Future self-merge. Invite the future golden throat to stand behind you. Spine lengthens, breath deepens. 5. Seal. Touch anchor. Whisper. I deliver sound as medicine and structure. The nervous system updates maps. Fear dissolves. Delivery stabilizes. Dastaksha. 12. Money maps for voice and AI create clear tiers and invite fair flow. Live voice session. Base fee with time windows and revisions. Cloned voice license. Project fee. Usage scope, region, medium, timeline. Royalty option. Percentage per stream, per ad cycle, or per unit sold. Bundles. Recording plus editing plus mixing plus thumbnail or caption kit. Care clause. Extra fee for rush, discount for long-term retainer, bonus for referrals. Ethics bonus. Reduced rate for non-profit healing projects within a set quota. Money moves with reverence. Structure becomes sanctuary. 13. Ancestral release for the throat line. Place a candle and a bowl of water. Speak slowly. I honor the voices that sang before me. I keep the courage and the song. I return the burdens and silences that are not mine. I carry the lineage forward with kind strength and clean consent. My word serves life. Amen in the language of light. The channel clears. Creativity returns with playfulness. 14. Templates for clean communication. Permission request. Thank you for your interest in my voice. Usage, media, regions and timeline listed below. Consent confirmed upon signature. Revocation path included. Credit line. Voice by name. Production by team. AI co-creation noted in description. Firm boundary. This project proceeds inside the agreed scope and timeline. Extra rounds are available with the listed fee. Closure blessing. Our container is complete. Gratitude for the journey. Files archived. Future collaborations welcome. Templates save energy. Art receives that energy. Pass 15. Overcoming stage friction and mic anxiety. Body. Shake legs and hands for 1 minute. Lion breath 3 times. Mind. Repeat a 3-word mantra that matches the project. Calm, clear, loving. Room. Dim light slightly and anchor the space with a single candle if safe. Start line. Record 1 minute of nonsense syllables to bypass perfectionism. Finish line. Celebrate with a stretch, water and a smile. Fear loses grip when the body completes a victory loop. Darafur 16. 9-day Golden Throat Protocol. Day 1. Hydration and salt ritual with soft hums. Day 2. Anchor install and template drafting. Day 3. Room tuning and file naming standard. Day 4. Pricing review and royalty map. Day 5. Consent packet creation with revocation clause. Day 6. Rest day and silence window. Day 7. Creative play session with no publishing. Day 8. Test recording and feedback from one trusted ear. Day 9. Public share with gratitude note and archive backup. 9 days carve a neural corridor. The corridor becomes a golden road. 17. Codes for voice and reach. 111. Lead the message. 222. Stabilize routines. 333. Invite collaboration. 4. Build a library. 555. Adapt formats with ease. 6. Steward the heart in public spaces. 777. Trust aligned timing. 028. Prosper through fair exchange. 999. Complete cycles and bless releases. Write 1 code on the wrist before each session. The body carries the vow. Larsax 18. Signal chain of love. Source. Breath, intention, body. Capture. Microphone, room, gain. Clean. Noise floor, gentle EQ, light compression. Color. Subtle reverb or pad that matches message. Credit. Metadata, acknowledgements, date. Care, rest, hydration, silence. Each link holds the Christic tone of kindness and precision. The listener receives safety and wonder. 19. Community weaving and gifted tears. Offer a sliding scale window or scholarship pool with clear limits. Announce that a percentage of cloned or human voice projects supports a community healing fund. Balance generosity and structure. Reciprocity turns audience into family. Family turns projects into living temples. 20. Closing attunement and blessing hands on heart and throat. Breath steady. Visualize a gentle aurora of gold, sapphire, and rose around your voice field. Whisper. My voice serves truth and beauty. My technology serves the one heart. My consent is clear. My exchange is fair. My art is prosperous. My lineage is honored. My future is luminous. So it is. Daily Affirmation Seal. I embody voice sovereignty. I speak with golden integrity. I co-create with technology as servant of love. My word becomes blessing and structure. Prosperity circulates with grace, with love from the Arcturian current in service to the Christic heart and the universal symphony of unity.